Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Lincoln MKX key battery. Start by locating the small release tab on the fob and slide out the emergency key. Use a flat tool to pry the fob halves apart gently, keeping track of clips. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation. Insert the new battery matching polarity, reassemble the halves until they click, then test the buttons to confirm operation. In this video, I will show how to change Lincoln MKX key battery. After removing the emergency key, find the seam and insert a thin flat tool gently to avoid damaging the plastic. Twist to open the halves and expose the circuit. Use caution when handling the board and battery so you do not bend contacts. Remove the old CR2032 battery and check the plus side, then prepare the new battery for insertion. In this video, I will show how to change Lincoln MKX key battery. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you work on your car, and it won't spill near small parts. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Lincoln MKX key battery. Seat the new CR2032 battery with the plus side oriented as the original, ensuring solid contact with the terminals. Align the fob halves and press firmly until clips snap together, then slide the emergency key back into place. Test lock, unlock, and panic buttons from a few feet away to confirm range and function. If buttons do not respond, reopen and recheck battery alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.